Hello everyone and welcome back to another virus making video, and in this one I'm going to show you how to make a virus that automatically types something that you put in. For example, if I open up a text document, it's going to type something in it automatically, or if I hover over at the search bar, it's going to keep on typing something. So to do that, we're going to begin by typing set x equals wscript dot create object, wscript create object. We're gonna open up brackets, open up quotation marks, and type in wscript.shell, close quotation marks, and close brackets. Then we're gonna type in wscript.sleep100. Then we're gonna type x.send keys, quotation marks. What this basically is going to do is going to make sure that everything that it's automatically typed, it's going to be in caps. Then we're going to type in x.send keys, close out with quotation marks. Then we're going to type in a message, what we want it to say. So we're going to type in x.send keys, and this time we're just going to open up a quotation mark and we're going to type in something. For example, we're going to type in this computer is affected by a virus, close that with quotation marks. Then we're going to type in x.send keys, close that off. Then we're just going to type in loop, and we're going to save it as a .vbs file. So make sure you save it as a, we can name it something random and save it as a .vbs file. We're going to click on save and we're going to test it out, see if it works. There it is. We're going to open it up and let's see if it works. Yep, something's glitching out. And it hasn't worked perfectly, but as you can see, my computer is locked. I can't actually do anything. It's just looping it. So yep, it's typing on my Discord. As you can see, this computer is affected.